Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing how to make oven baked yamarita. In case you don't know what yamarita is yam coated with egg and flour. You can either bake or fry. As you can see, my yam is already peeled, cut into desired shape. Next, I will add in some salt, boil for at least 10 to 15 minutes. In a bowl I have 3 eggs. I will add some milk, seasoning powder, paprika powder, some dried parsley, habanero pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, some flour, and water. Just a little bit of water, guys. Our yam is already boiling. After 10 minutes, I will drain out the water and set it aside for later use. Mix the ingredients to combine. Mix until very smooth, guys. Next, I will throw the yam into the egg mixture and I will let it marinate for at least 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I will place them on the oven tray. I'll pour in some egg mixture and some oil. Bake for at least 20 minutes on 180 degrees. Guys, our yamarita is ready. Very delicious, guys. Try out this recipe and let me know. Alright guys, if this is your first time you're coming across my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share my videos. Bye bye, see you on my next one.